Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Hippeas. This is chickpea puff snacks, churro flavored. This was at COSTCO. Let's look how big it is. The bag is huge. So if you look here, it's plant protein, gluten free. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Okay, let's see. So it's got chickpea flour, rice flour, pea flour, and rosemary extract. Okay, all right, let's open this up. All right, so here is the churros all opened up, and that's what they look like. So it's got a nice, almost like a aroma of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but think of that without the sugar. So it's actually not bad. All right, guys, stay tuned for videos.